Hello, I think the microphone is working good. Today I'm going to present to you today's problem. Is problem 6.1. It's from week 10. First of all, I wanted to start my function charge. So this is our initial process. In our case, we don't need to worry about it. That I run, and then once the pens are in position and Prox4 has detected them, that's when they move pen, and that's what we're detecting. Then we move. Sorry if I said this wrong. Search. I really don't know how to say it, but I think it's search out. And that would be our step 2. That will be detected by Slayer OLS, and that will make the SAR out activate. Stepping stone will be our step 3. Once the piston is extended, it will be detected by the piece ELS. Then delay that I put it here. I'm not sure that would be kind of a step, but that's like when we have to wait for the ink to be injected, and then it's detected by the ink OLS, and then we retract the piston. That will be P spread, and then that will be it will retract the piston, and then for the serial that will retract it, and we'll make sure the ink valve is off, and then we will repeat all the way back to before step 1. So if we go to my code, we can separate this by 3 main points. So we have all our setup of our steps. Just making sure we have each little thing that is being detected as well, that it has to be running. But the first line is setting up that everything is good, and then we can start step 1. When we start step 1, each of our little sensor or switches being detected and is running as well. And that's all the way from line 1 to line 7. And this is the same thing as I just was talking in our function plan. So now if I go to from line 8 to line 12, we have our reset functions and lines. So here from Spar is saying like I just create in reset coil, but it's not the same one as I reset. And for it to reset, we need to make sure that we have complete step 6. So when it's resetting, we reset step 5 first, and then step 6, and then it just reset step 6. And this is our resetting everything once we are sure that everything is how it has been asked in the book. That everything, both of the things are rejected, and that the ink is closed. And lastly, from line 13 to line 17, we have the different actions. So when one of the 5 actions are happening, the only one that is kind of different are the resets ones, that they have to happen even if we are not running. They need to happen. And then the timer. It is hard to demonstrate this as a visual just due of the many little sensors that we need to activate manually, but this is how my code will look like. I hope this is helpful. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a good night. Bye.